So, you remember when I said that th- I didn't get a cable to put it in? Well, if I open it, this is what you pull it in here in the back. I just don't know if the LED lights will work if I just put it in. And I don't know if I have a cable, so you know what? I'll just open this up and see if I can do anything with it.
A few moments later.
There we go. And here is the cable where you put it in. And there's this. So, oh, it's kind of short. But I think I can get it. So, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna find a thing where I can put it in and then put it in there so I can just. Alright, so I had to steal my mom's. I hope I can find another one. But let's see. So we just pull it in this. And that worked. And then I have to plug it in down here. So I have to do this. We do this. And then we just do this. Shit. And then we're back here.
Hey yo, what the
Then
fuck?
we take my beautiful bridge. Oh, I meant fridge. Then we go here, and then we put it here. And is it even on? It's on. I guess I have to wait some. I guess I have to wait. Because clearly it's on. According to this. But clearly it doesn't. I guess I have to wait again. See you guys later, I guess, because this is kinda goofy. But it is very good. Alrighty, man. So I just read the journal here, and it says that I have to wait 1 hour, then press the on button for 5 seconds, and then switch colors. I press it one more time, 11 times to find my colors. And here's the journal. I don't even know what the hell it is, but it's very cool. And then, yeah, it's just sort of the same shit all over again. Here are the cool stickers I can use. It's actually very cool. Holy moly, it's so neon, bro. Holy banger. Ta-da!
What is this Diddy Blood doing on the calculator? Is blood Einstein? What is this Diddy Blood doing on the calculator? Is blood Epstein? What is blood doing with those numbers? Is he tongue-tongues to her? Or is he a sus women's or an anti-furry making base dark memes? Wait, I think I know what he's typing now. Wait.
Hey,
6, 7.
Recording. And then we got some other things. Oh shit. Yeah, so that's very funny. I did not know that I was going to get that. So I'd say huge W.
Ngeng, 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 tin, tin, tin. Inilah motor yang biasa.
On Prime. A huge shout out to them. This is very cool. Very cool. Just look at it, bro. It's like another dimension.
Yeah, what is this Diddy Blood doing?
It's so cool. Like 6 drinks. Nice. That is massive. I will see you guys in 1 hour. So yeah.
Tralalelo, tralala, cappuccino, asilo, lila, lila, la polpa, la baccarina, cappuccina, espessora.